Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP system review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. You'll see down the right hand side here it says my commissions, a total here of $63.60. But more importantly in this video, if you look underneath, you'll see 1,295 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. So I'm going to show you the reasons why this system is converting very well. And I want to show you exactly what you're going to get for your one-time $7. And what you can do is you can promote one link and you can earn, excuse me, up to 7 passive income streams. So the link in the description will take you to a free video tour here. This is the owner, Wayne Crowe, and he's done a 10-minute video here which will give you an overview of OLSP system. So let's go back into the members area here. I'm going to go into my commissions and just show you some proof. So it's going to blur the members' information out for privacy. And what you'll see here is this column here is the balance, 63.60. That's what I showed you on the previous page. These are the amounts of the products, and so far 2 of the 7 products have been sold. Mega Link, Mega Messenger, one-time special offer is a $10 commission, and then you'll see the dates of the transactions here. So I started promoting on December the 6th, and that's American time there, December the 10th, when the last commission came in. We just gone into 11th of December in UK here. So I want to show you the value you're going to get. I'm going to go back into my dashboard because there's some really key things here I want to share with you that are really important, because there's no monthly membership costs with OLSP system. It's a one-time $7 payment, and the value and the quality of the training, especially the training you're going to get, and the resources are absolutely superb. So we're going to come down here, and first of all, the members area, Wayne points you to these 2 trainings here. The first one, now you see here free in the top left hand corner of each thumbnail image. First one is how I made 10 million in commissions. This is the page here that I'll take you to. So Wayne is a mega affiliate. He's earned $10 million in commissions. The ultimate secret works for absolute beginners who have never tried this or anything like this ever. So it's perfect for beginners as well. It's not just for intermediates and advanced. So there's a training there, and on the systems and that he uses. And then the next one under here, other free training that you recommend you go to, is the 100 commission hack, and that's this one here. And there are a lot more trainings in this. I'm just sort of pointing you in the right direction of the quality of the value that you're going to get with this system. And this is how he's paid out over $2 million in commissions. But he says here, this is for you if you want to know the exact formula that keeps sending you commissions over and over again forever. In brackets, you've never seen anything like this before. I think really with this system, he is going to change the course of the industry with this funnel he's put together. So let's just have a look now at the system itself. So what I want to do is show you it's a complete 100% done for you system. And this is the lead capture page. So you don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to create, you don't even need an autoresponder. It's going to do all the follow-ups for you. So this is why it's perfect for beginners because it's a complete 100% done for you system. And if you want to add an additional income stream to your portfolio, like I'm doing, it's perfect for that as well. So what happens is, let's just backtrack here a second. If we go back up here to the top of the page, it's called a mega link. So top right hand corner here, your OLSP system mega link. So all you do is copy that link copied, and then that's going to be the link there that you're going to promote, and it will be to link to this lead capture page here. So you're just going to promote one link. Now I'm going to take you into a training in the members area, and I'm going to give you a 1 minute snapshot of Wayne's training, because if you're brand new, please don't get overwhelmed by all these boxes on here, because what I'm going to show you now is going to just completely, the value you get here is absolutely insane. So if you can see down here, if you can see this line here, so what Wayne's done, he's drawn a line down here. So I'm just going to go over that line there, and it's really important here, this information I'm going to share with you. So your job is everything to the left of this line. This is the beauty of this system, absolute beauty of this system. So I just showed you my mega link. That's what you're going to get there. And then all you have to do is drive traffic to that mega link. Now, what Wayne has done in this training, he's outlined how he's developed this system, and everything over here is a complete ecosystem that he's created for you. You're going to get all of this here for a one-time payment of $7. No monthly membership costs, one-time payment of $7. So, very briefly, what happens? The squeeze page I just showed you, you're going to drive traffic to the squeeze page. Your prospects put their email in. And then what Wayne and his team do, they send emails on behalf, automatically, it's all automated. They send emails on a consistent basis with your affiliate link. You see the arrow there, it's just all ongoing, all linked to you. Now Wayne has created his own products. He's created his own products. All right, he's invested, I don't know, $250,000 in this system. And then what happens is, if somebody buys any of those offers from those emails, you'll see here there's $20 offers, there's $99 offers, there's $99 monthly offers, there's $1,000 offers. If any of your prospects purchase that, you're going to earn commissions. Complete 100% done for you ecosystem. So when you go into the training here, it lasts, you'll see it lasts 90 minutes long. But the first 18 minutes he talks about how we develop the system, but he wants people to understand, and he wants to help people and show them that with the Facebook group as well, with all the live trainings that he does, your affiliate link will be linked into the Facebook group if any of your prospects join. Everything is linked to you. Everything is linked to your mega link. Everything. So whether it comes from a webinar in a Facebook group, whether it comes from an email list, he's got a staff of 32. He has absolutely got every angle covered, and he wants you to become successful and become part of his community. And his goal is to help as many people become successful in affiliate marketing. He's created this system for people at every single level, especially beginners. And that's why his price point is $7. So enough about that, because if you are brand new, that might be a bit overwhelming. But the key thing is you're going to get one mega link, and your job is to, and he trains you on how to get the traffic. So he's not only going to just put over here people and traffic and leave you and not help you. He trains you. He's got all the trainings inside of this ecosystem to train you up on how to become successful. And his Facebook group has got 142,000 members. He's very active in here with weekly trainings. He's got thousands of members that are helping each other. He's created just an absolutely fantastic community of people helping each other. I'm also active within that group as well. So that's how the system works. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. So I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just showing you what's worked for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and also promote the program as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. And I'm also going to put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. This lead capture page here, this is where you get your free video tour. So if you put your email into there, that will take you on to this page here, and then you can meet Wayne, the owner, and then he'll give you an overview of exactly what the OLSP System mega link is. So thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.